Makatalon!
Pero magkano po yung si Rachel, oh? Hoy, Ate Rachel, akala ko pala ka lang dyan. Kasi, matanggal ko lang ano dyan. Awak na karet dyan. Awak sa'yo.
Okay, kapatitas! Okay, kapatitas! Dito after this game. After this game.
Nakakabigay talaga.
Ando ba? Ando ba lang? Hindi ba?
Ayan ha. Gosh. Ito pala ang mga mother ng Chinese garter. Kahit hanggang leeg yung talunin ba?
Thank you about it, our dinner after this game. Thank you, Primo! Thank you, Primo!
Parang kumapit ang mukha. Dahil ilong mo ay pangay. Ang lupit mo ay kaiba. Kunin mo ang dugo.
I'm sweaty. Oh my god, I have a lot of sweat.
Sige na.
Okay, we are about to eat our dinner. Then later on, we will continue. Nabilas na ba yun? Okay na daw. Okay, sige na. Ay, ayun pa isa. And there's another one. Okay na. Si, ang tawag doon. Ayun. Sige. Ang magaling na bang bato ng pamilya. Idok. No money? Ask your mom. Where does your money?
Yung mga senior daw po. Maaari.
I want to eat money when the kids are playing.
Maaari na daw po. Maaari daw po
Money when the
kumila.
kids are playing. I want the adults to throw money when the kids are playing.
She wants the adults to throw money when the kids are playing. Alright, so we're gonna throw money when the kids are playing, no problem. Alright, first we're gonna eat, and then we'll continue with a beat, okay? No, we gotta just gotta fix it. We gotta-
Okay, kakain na daw po tayo. Please fall in line para po sa ating maayos na hapunan.
Sit down, Choco, hindi boy. Eat na tayo. Sit down, Choco, hindi boy.